Hi, I'm Dr. Nicole McLean from Iowa Family Chiropractic, and I'm going to show you around our clinic today. So let's go. Here, you'll always be greeted by a friendly face, and we have a nice reception area with refreshments and toys for the kids. Our goal here is to help as much of our community as possible get feeling their best by providing them the best possible care that they deserve. So over here you'll see we have our rehab area where we use biplates and exercise balls in order to help patients with anything from basic stretching and muscle and joint rehabilitation to balance and coordination exercises. We also see a lot of tech snap come through our office, so we use the cervical traction in order to keep that curve in their spine. Over here at our adjusting bays, we see a ton of different issues come through. We help with anything from headaches and neck pain to sports injuries. We see pregnant mamas to grandmas and grandpas, babies with colic to ear infections. Basically, if it's affecting you, we'd love to help. So if we come on over here, we have our therapy room. Here we use muscle stimulation and red light therapy in order to assist our adjustments in getting you feeling better as quickly as possible. So the next room we're going to is our consult room. You'll notice as we walk by that we have this kids table over here because we have a ton of kids that come through our office because they have the exact same problems that adults do. Here in our consult room, this is where we get to know you. We always make sure we're sitting down with our patients and getting to the root cause of their problems so we can help get you feeling better. This next room we're going to is quickly becoming one of our patients' favorite rooms in the clinic. This is our stress relief therapy room. Here we use a program called Brain Tap, which uses light and sound therapy and a great way to calm down your stress response and help you heal. Across the hall here, we have our exam room. Here, we use 3 different types of exams on you to figure out how well your heart, nerves, and muscles are communicating with each other so we can figure out what we need to focus on for you. This last room here is our x-ray room. So here we use state-of-the-art digital x-ray technology in order to figure out what's going on with you structurally so we can combine that with all of our other evidence and come up with a care plan that best helps you individually. So now that you know exactly what we offer and how we can help you, I can't wait to meet you.